teach you how to use a CNC engraving machine. Let's take the design of two colors as an example. Select the same color with edges. Select a color and press Ctrl. 加一 to output it in the XF format. The format must be AutoCAD version 11. After processing, start ArtCam Pro 3 software on another computer that is compatible with the engraving machine. Enter the length and width dimensions of the template as designed. Import the just made DXF file here. Delete unnecessary text parts. Select the mold part to be made and make it pink. Press this button to create. Enter the depth to be carved here. Choose a tool with the same size as the tool. Select the Calculate Now button. Select the Save Path button as the video. Select the MMG format here and rename the file name. Select a tool of the same size as the design and install it into the engraving machine. Then tighten it. Start the CNC Studio V5 software on the computer desktop and import the previous input MMG format file did before. Manually move the tool to the middle of the template and perform a tool alignment operation. Place the built-in tool of the machine into the middle of the knife. Select this button, and the machine blade will slowly descend. When the blade comes into contact with the tool, it will automatically lift up. Activate this button to test if the depth of the drilled hole is appropriate. The previous new template has the, after the test is completed, same size as the design file. Fix the mold around with art paper. Press to return the blade to its starting position and start the engraving machine.